Hello, everybody. My name is Ana Andrade, and this is just a quick how to get it through my PowerPoint and how it works. So my theme for this unit is called Let's Go Camping with Operations and Algebraic Thinking for second grade. This is for the Math Center. This is just an how to engage students from the very beginning with camping and how I talk a little bit about diversity and a book that I would use before introducing the math lessons. This is the poster board that I have created, Math Camp, because you couldn't put the whole, I couldn't write Let's Go Camping. It would take up too much space. And here are my 4 activities: roll the s'mores, going fishing, camp riddles, s'mores, math plays, along with the materials that I used. Introduction of the place values. Right here we have the first lesson called Roll the S'mores lesson plan. On each slide for each lesson plan, where it says click the lesson plan, it'll take you to a straight link to the lesson plan right here. And right here, it says click the video, and it will take you to the YouTube video of my explanation. We also are showing, this is going fishing, camping riddles, s'mores math plays, and the sources that I used for each lesson. Now also in the pictures, I've added all the materials that I used, all of the materials that I used in the videos, and of course on the lesson plans it gives you a little bit more of a description of the materials, equipment, and technology that I used. And that is all. Thank you.